Guys, and welcome back to Style by McKen's. Today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. I don't know, I'm just feeling like doing a little bit of holiday glam for today, and Valentine's Day is right around the corner, so I decided to create a pink look with my Huda Beauty palette as well as the Jaclyn Hill palette. So without further ado, let's hop right in. So to start off, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier foundation primer. This has been one of my favorite primers lately, and I just really like it. I'm going to be applying this all over my face. I find that this keeps my makeup in place all day and from sliding around. I am going to go in with the Laura Mercier Flawless Lumiere Radiance Perfecting Foundation. This has been one of my favorite foundations lately. It's a super full coverage foundation, so when I'm shooting looks for the blog or just want to have a little more glam makeup look, this is the foundation that I've been reaching for. So now that I am done applying foundation, I'm going in with my Rimmel Stay Matte powder on a powder brush and just applying this all over my face to set my foundation. I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer and applying a little bit of this under my eyes as well as on a couple of blemishes I have, since my skin is breaking out a little more than usual right now. To set my under eyes, I'm going in with the Anastasia contour kit, and I'm taking the banana shade and just patting this underneath my eyes. For blush, I'm switching it up from my usual today, and I'm going in with the Bobbi Brown Essentials blush in the shade Blushed. And this is a really, really pretty mauve, and I thought that this would look really pretty with the eye look that I have in mind, so I'm just going in and smiling while applying this to the apples of my cheek. I'm then going in with the contour kit again, and I'm just taking a contour brush with the middle shade, and I'm just going to be contouring my face. To start my eye look, I'm going in with the Urban Decay Primer Potion, and then after I apply this to my lids, I'm going to take my usual Maybelline Color Tattoo in the shade Barely Branded. I'm taking this just on a little brush, of course, and applying this cream shadow. You guys know that this is one of my favorite bases ever, and I find that this really changes a makeup look. So for this look, I'm going to start off with the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. I really, really love this palette. And I'm going to start by taking this middle shade right here and applying this all over my lid. I'm going to spray my brush with MAC Fix Plus first. I did mention that I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette as well. I'm going to use both of them, and I'm just starting off with this one. So these shadows are so insanely pigmented, especially when you wet the brush. I just find that it adds such a pop. I am going for like a pretty pink look just because this is a Valentine's Day inspired look, which means that I can give all the pink I want. Now that I have applied that shadow to my lid, I'm going to go in with this middle shade right here. It's more of a mauve, and I'm just going to be applying this to my crease. I'm going to darken it up with a sparkly shade after, but I just want to use this as more of a transition shade. So I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm taking this hot pink sparkly shade over on the right hand side of the palette, and I'm just going to be applying this to my crease right over top of the shade that I just put on, but blending it out some more just because I want a little bit of matte, but I want some sparkles towards the outer edge of my crease. I'm now wetting my brush with MAC Fix Plus again, and I'm going to go in with this light pink right here. It's more of a warm pink as opposed to this pink is more cool toned. Although it is a little bit lighter, I am going to take the warmer one and apply this towards my inner corner. I'm going back in with the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm taking this deeper cranberry color on a smudge brush, and I'm just going to be lining my lower lash line with that. I am going to be applying lashes today, so I am taking the Ardell glue in the black and just applying a little bit of this to the back of my hand. I then take the little tweezer tool that comes with the big pack of lashes, and I apply it to the back of this, and then I'm just putting some glue on my lashes. Then I wait about a minute, and then I apply the lashes. Today I'm using the Ardell Wispies 105s. And then I'm going to repeat those same steps for the other lash. Now that I've applied my lashes, I do like them to dry a little bit before I apply mascara or any eyeliner, so I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Color Studio Dip Brow and fill in my brows first. Now I'm just going to go in with the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara and blend in my real lashes with my fakes. I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner, and I like to just put a little bit of this in my inner corners to connect my inner corner to the lash band. Now that I've gone ahead and done all that, I'm going to take the shade Moonstone from the Anastasia Sun Dip Glow Kit and just apply this to the high points of my face. Last but not least, I'm going in with the Buxom Full On Plumping Lip Polish in the shade Sugar. Just to finish off the look, I'm going to take my Mario Badescu spray. So yeah, that's going to be all for this little Valentine's Day glam makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, comments, or requests, be sure to leave them below, and I'd be happy to take those into consideration and respond. I hope you have an awesome Valentine's Day, and I will talk to you guys later.